Why are so many women tired of trying their best? Have you ever felt like no matter how hard you try, it's still not even enough? Striving, giving your all, but you still feel burnout, unfulfilled, or even exhausted. Today, I'll be diving deep into why so many women are tired of trying their best. Not just tired, emotionally, mentally, physically, relationally exhausted. So we will explore societal expectation, emotional labor, unrealistic standards, mental load, gender inequality, and the truth behind overwhelming things that women are silently carrying. If you've ever felt like life weight is on your shoulder, you are not alone. So let's get into it. Subscribe if you've not subscribed and hit the bell icon because this video might just change the way you think about your self-worth and efforts. Let's talk about what trying your best really means. Most of us were raised with this belief that says if you just try harder, you will succeed. Our parents, teachers, our coaches, social medias, influencers, society always tell us to try harder. Even the school, the career we have studied, say try harder in your relationship, in motherhood, in self-care, in all you should try harder. But what happens when no amount of effort gives you peace? This phrase, just try your best, was never meant to capture the complex mental and emotional labor women carry daily. Key idea of this is you try your best should not leave you depleted. But for many women, that's exactly what it does to them. The pressure of perfection, how it affects we women. One of the biggest reasons women are so tired is perfectionism. Perfectionism disguised as trying your best. Women face socially constructed expectation to be the perfect mom. They want to be the perfect partner, the perfect employer, the perfect friend, the perfect self-care guru, the perfect in all. They just want to be perfect. And when perfection isn't achieved, it feels like failure. This expectation has created chronic stress in most women, anxiety, self-criticism, even fear of judgment. Women are not just trying to succeed. They are trying to look good doing it. And when effort is tied to your identity, not outcome, that's when exhaustion happens. One term you will hear again and again is emotional labor. Emotional labor means managing other people's feelings while suppressing your own. Women often comfort others. They remember birthdays, events, and details. They also manage societal calendar or social calendar. Is it moderate tension in relationship? Diffuse conflicts. This work is invisible, unrecognized, and rarely rewarded. Psychology says that emotional labor is a major contributor to everyday fatigue and burnout, especially among we women. It's not just physical work, not at all. It's cognitive and emotional work. And this drains energy faster than almost anything you can think of. Let's go to the mental load. Connected to emotional labor is the mental load. The responsibility of planning, organizing, and remembering all tasks and obligations. For example, you have your grocery lists, your kids' uniforms, they must go to school, work deadlines, planning for dinner, holidays, paying bills, even tracking everyone else's needs. All are burdens on women. Even when someone else helps physically, the mental load often stays with women. Women carry the thinking, even when they don't carry the doing. You know what I mean? The constant cognitive responsibility, invisible to others, always lead to fatigue, anxiety, and burnout in women. Let's see how we can balance it if possible. We've all heard that work-life balance, you can have it all. Just manage your time better. Yes, that is what we've been told. But research shows balance is often a myth, especially for women. Why? Because women typically judge multiple roles simultaneously. They are workers, their moms, partners, friends, home manager, therapists, name it. They are coach, CEOs of the household. Women does a lot. These are all the capacity women's function. How do you balance it? So balance isn't a destination. It is a moving target. So many women feel like they are failing because they compare their chaos to someone else's highlight reels. Societal expectation still unequal. Despite progress, women still faces a whole lot. Like gender pay gaps, fewer promotions, more unpaid labor at home, societal judgments, accountability for everything. Women are always expected to be strong. They are expected to nurture. They are expected to give, expected to be emotionally available, but they are not allowed to show weakness. These double standards always create internal conflict and chronic exhaustion. Now, let me quickly talk about internalized standards, where the burnout isn't just an external, but rather it comes from inside. Women internalize criticism, the expectation, perfection, comparison, all these are the things that women take in. It's not just society telling them they must be enough. Women tell themselves they must be enough. Internal pressure can be far more exhausting than external pressure. This is why trying your best sometimes feels like failing your soul. Is it the social media's role? You scroll, compare, scroll, criticize, scroll, and keep on repeating same schedule. Social media has created comparison culture, unrealistic lifestyle, standard, envy, self-worth tied to likes, followers, accomplishment, and so on and so forth. So women are comparing their bodies, their parental styles, their careers, relationship, even their lifestyles. And this relentless comparison has created mental fatigue, sensory overload, and a deep sense of not doing enough. Even after trying your best, you feel like not measuring up. Is it the emotional burnout and resilience? Burnout isn't laziness. It's a physiological and psychological state from prolonged stress. And what are the likely symptoms of burnout? They include emotional exhaustion, cynicism, feeling ineffective, low motivation, and constant fatigue. Women often equate burnout with personal failure, but science says that burnout is a signal, a red flag that something needs to change. It's not just about trying harder, it's about structural change, self-respect, and boundaries. Let's trace it to the root causes of burnout. Why are so many women tired of trying their best? Number one is the unrealistic expectation placed on women. Is it the invisible work, emotional labor, the mental load, comparison culture, perfectionism, unacknowledged efforts, lack of self-comparison? Burnout marks as normal. Yes, feeling tired is normal. Let me just take a rest. Trying your best should not even hurt you as a woman. But when your best isn't enough because the standards are too high, exhaustion will take over. Here is the truth. Your best should nourish you. Your best should uplift you. Your best should make you feel comfortable, not depleted or tired or exhausted. What do your best mean? It means that you don't need perfection, not constant productivity, not about pleasing people, not about silent exhaustion, dying inside. Instead, it's healthy effort, keeping boundaries, rest of strategy, support, prioritizing the right things at the right time. So trying your best should mean giving intentional energy, not burning yourself out. Now, let me give you practical steps for you to break the cycle. If you feel tired of trying your best, here is what you can do. Step one, make sure you set clear boundary no matter who is involved. Your mental health is very important. Number two, prioritize your peace. Yes. Stop comparing. Number three, stop comparing because comparison kills confidence. Number four, delegate and share responsibility. Don't think you can do it all by yourself. Don't carry all the load. Delegate and share responsibility. 5, redefine your self-worth. Your self-worth is not tied to output, so redefine it. 6, practice self-compassion. Rest is not weakness. Always make sure you have enough rest. 7, ask for help. Support isn't a luxury, it's a necessity. Make sure you have the desired support that you need. They are not quick fix, they are lifelong habits. These steps are not a quick fix to your problem, but they are life and quick fix to that lifelong habit of emotional resilience. So trying your best should feel empowering, not exhausting. But when expectation, perfection, mental load, and societal pressures stack up, it becomes a body. If you're tired of trying your best and still feeling tired, burnout, it's okay. You are not weak, you are overwhelmed. Overwhelming is not the enemy. Unrealistic standards are. Comment below if you have tried your best and ever feel like trying too hard. And tell me what changed that for you. Like this video if it helps you. Make sure you subscribe for more deep, real topics that matter. Until next time, be intentional, be gentle with yourself, and never let exhaustion define your self-worth. Bye.